I read your biography, and actually, I do not prepare myself for talks. This is something I do very spontaneously. And I love the thing, how you start your day on Instagram.
Oh, with my Qigong.
Yeah. What can you tell us what is actually Qigong and why do you do it? Why did you choose Qigong and not yoga or something?
Yeah, it's a gentle form of exercise. It combines breathing, meditation, and gentle moving. But the whole idea is you move slowly to enable your joints and your muscles to move for longer, so that you can live longer, live well for longer. And it tries to tune it can get a little bit hippie, okay, but it tries to tune the energy system of your body.